Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before going to start today's presentation, I would like to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Jawad Raza, lecturer in mathematics, UWE Multan campus. Today my topic of presentation is derivative and the application of derivatives. Now the definition. Definition, instantaneous rate of change is called derivative. What do you mean by the instantaneous rate? Do you know? Exactly. Sudden, rapid change of anything in this universe with respect to another thing is called derivative. Another definition which is most important one, the derivative is a measure of how a function changes as the input change. To fulfill this condition, I would like to introduce an equation 1, y is equal to f of x. Equation 1 implies y is dependent upon the values of x. So y is dependent variable upon x. So x is independent. Variable actually a quantity which can be changeable during the execution of the program. So another definition which is informal one, which is small rate of change of dependent variable with respect to a small rate of change of independent variable is called derivative. Now we have a pictorial representation of the derivative. Let us consider a motion of a particle along a path AB. Let at any time t, the particle is at point P having coordinates x and y. After a small interval of time, delta t, the particle is at point Q such that it having a coordinates x plus delta x, y plus delta y. The beauty of that equation, pictorial representation, is that delta x implies change in x and the delta y implies change in y. So the coordinate q implies change in x as well as change in y. Now we have a tabulation as well as numerical values to implies a coordinates. In the equation 1 we get the equation 2 where equation 2 is y plus delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x. Now subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we get another equation which is equal to delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x, which represent left hand side delta y. What is delta y? Delta y is actually a change in dependent variable y. So, but we have a definition, change of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So this is the reason why that I divide both sides by delta x, because delta x is independent. So we get another equation and apply limit both sides, delta x approaches to 0. We get another equation which is called equation 3, and equation 3 is well known as a formal definition of derivatives. Derivative, application of the derivative. The derivative has a great application in the field of chemical, biomedical, environmental engineering and the science. Higher order derivative has an application in the production of the oil and gases from the geological structure, filtration, groundwater movement, regenerative heat exchangers, surface catalysis of the chemical reactions, dyeing, etc. and many more. Now another application of the derivative in the management sciences is that whenever we are going to calculate the marginal profit, marginal revenue and the marginal cost, what can we do? We just take the derivative of the profit, revenue and the cost function. That is the management sciences application in the derivative, and this is over and all, and we conclude that at the end the derivative is actually a change of dependent variable with respect to independent. Thank you. If you have any question, please ask me.